What's going on, guys? So we are getting ready to head down to Freed Engineering for their event today. I'm dropping off the R154 to get built, the diff to have the OS Geiken put in it, and Colton Glunt is actually going to be doing all my dash panels. So we got to get all this stuff loaded up. You guys may have seen it on Instagram, but I got a new daily. It's a BMW X535D, so it's a diesel, and this will be getting straight piped, tuned, and some other fun stuff. So this is gonna be pretty quick, and then I just want to do wheels and just make it look nice. But yeah, so let's get everything loaded up and we'll catch you guys there. Well, we made it to Freed and dropped off the transmission and the diff and everything. So now we are gonna go start walking around. Some really nice cars here. Volca and them are here. Thanks for helping. I like the red seats. It kind of makes me question my seats. I got turbo. What, the red one or the black one? So there's a boatload on that. It is? Decent point. Yeah, this one's nice. This is not. Is this turbo? Is this turbo? Yeah. Your ribs? Oh, okay. Hey, we should off to this one. Must have a lot of power. Those are some pretty big back tires.
Ryan's dash. Ryan has my dash.
So who did this one?
I did. But his dad did. Let him clarify.
You didn't. You did a shitty job putting your boot back on.
Well, that's because it's not real leather and it pulled away from.
Yeah, what are we doing with your boot? Are we keeping your stock boot or are we replacing it?
That panel's brand new.
That whole panel's brand new? So we're not painting that panel. We are.
I mean, it's gonna mismatch if you don't, right?
Yeah, so we paint it. Right?
Yeah, that one's brand new. The cigarette thingy's brand new, and the switch panel on this side's brand new. The switch panel on that side is the original stock one, and then that panel, and the under panel were all painted black. So those just need scuffed and then resprayed.
Yeah. But that one looking so good though.
That one, that one, and that one are gonna need that.
Thing you want painted.
Yeah, just the top part.
Let's get auto shoe cup holder.
I will eventually.
I mean, it's scratch proof. It won't scratch.
So, and that's the thing with the ones I did, they scratched.
No.
And she got me a cup holder. I have a two cup holder on the side.
We primed it,
matches my leather and everything.
Sanded it. They don't. He does it differently than I do.
It's the same paint though, right?
Yeah, the SEM. Yeah.
It's gonna look the same. And if it doesn't, you heard the consequences last night. So that was just some footage from the Freed engineering event. Excuse me. And the only reason we went is because I had to drop off my transmission and diff. So we back at the house now, getting ready to work on that. Hey. So we're back at the house now, getting ready to work on Justin's Supra. Big shout out to AEM for doing the exchange program with us. So we exchanged the AEM V2 for AEM Infinity with plug and play harness. And it was very cheap by doing the exchange. So he's going to AEM Infinity now. We got to rewire the AEM map sensor, remove 2 pins on the idle air control valve, and put in the AEM wideband, which runs directly to the plug and play harness, and repin the purple with white stripe wire for the fuel pump to one of the auxiliary plugs on the plug and play harness for the AEM. So that shouldn't take too long. Should go fairly quick. And then I think that'll be it for this video after that. It's gonna be a while till I get my stuff back for the Supra. So they have my diff, it's getting the OS Geiken. They have my transmission, it's getting the full Marlin crawler build. I am gonna go with the twin disc. I made my mind up just because it's gonna be less stress on the transmission and it'll last longer. Dash panels are out, and this is new. I don't think you guys know about this unless you follow Instagram, but the dash panels are out. Colton Glunt, I'll tag him right here, is repainting all my dash panels to include the ones that also go in the doors. So they all match and that'll look good. The gauge cluster and the HVAC unit is going to Stu Hagen and getting his special touch. Still gonna do the exhaust, and I'm gonna pull off the manifold and rework just this runner right here. Have it probably go down and up more so the turbo can turn just a tiny bit more, and the return line for the turbo can go straight down then, because it can't do that right now. So I'm gonna rework that so it can have a better travel down. That's really about it. I might do cams. We'll see. But they're kind of expensive, so I don't know. But I also got to get that Corvette in here that I'm doing a cam, torque converter, full exhaust, and a tune on. So that'll be a big project coming up. But yeah, so let's wait for Justin to get here and get this Supra going. Well, I forgot to record us driving it, but we got Justin's Supra all figured out. Got the ECU going, and go ahead, bud.
Do they know it's Infinity now?
Yeah, they know it's Infinity now. Oh. I gave a shout out to AEM already.
Well, they're on my shit list still.
Oh yeah, because of the harness. That's AEM Infinity. So with the AEM Infinity, like, it takes a minute to start. That's normal. But we actually drove it and like, he can actually rev it. It's nice. How high is it letting you rev it?
I don't know, I could probably do as much as we want. I don't know. I don't want to break it.
Will it let us go past where we were before?
Oh, did you see that? Check engine light came on.
Yeah. So
yes,
yeah,
and no.
It's a fail-safe that he has it. Well, it's not going to let you rev so high. Jason set that up. Yeah. But it let us go past where we were before.
Yeah. That is not fun.
Yeah.
Check engine light. I've never seen that come up before. Ooh, new lights. Sounds so good.
Wait. Good. Give me a rev. Give me a rev. Yeah, bud.
She's getting there.
Yeah, she's getting there. So we got his car figured out. We just need to tune it now. And Jason Leonard is going to be the one tuning it. Same guy that tunes my car. But we're getting there. So appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow, comment, do whatever you want to freaking do. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.